Paano ba magkaroon ng real estate circle pag wala pa akong pera? I'm gonna share with you 3 tips in my next 3 videos. Number 1 is how to make rental income if wala pa tayong pera pambili ng property. Number 1, check out your surrounding. Kung nakatira kayo sa isang bahay na may extra kwarto, extra room, at walang gumagamit, that is an opportunity. Tanggalin lahat ng kalat, pinturahan yung kwarto, pagandahin, gawin mabango, and that will be now an extra room. You don't have to buy another real estate because right in front of you is a room that you can rent out. If you can rent it out, depende sa area mo, it can go as low as 4,000 a month or 6,000, dalawang tao. If you are near a university area, dalawang estudyante, lagyan mo ng table, and there you go. That is your first time to get your rental passive income, even if wala pa kayong property. Take a look around sa bahay nyo, kung may extra room kayo, don't let that go to waste. Make money work for you. Make that room work for you. This is your property guru, Tito Carl D. Watch out for more videos about how to make money in real estate without owning real